Want to know how to generate more leads using Salesflare and boost your sales process? Stick around because in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down how this software can transform your lead generation and help you close more deals without the usual manual work. Salesflare is a CRM built with automation in mind. If you're tired of manually tracking your leads and deals across different platforms, this tool integrates your emails, social media, and even your calendar into one easy-to-use dashboard. What's awesome about Salesflare is its simplicity. No complex setups or steep learning curves. It's designed to make lead generation effortless. So, how exactly does it help you generate more leads? Let's dive into that. First, Salesflare automatically tracks your leads and customer interactions without you having to lift a finger. It captures all the data, emails, meetings, calls, directly from your inbox and calendar. This means you're not spending time entering information manually. Instead, you can focus on what matters, building relationships and closing deals. What's more, Salesflare's smart automation ensures that your leads don't slip through the cracks. The software automatically updates your lead status based on their interactions, allowing you to prioritize follow-ups effectively. This eliminates guesswork and helps you stay on top of every opportunity. Another key feature is its ability to segment your leads with ease. Salesflare allows you to create custom tags and categories, helping you organize leads based on various criteria like industry, stage in the sales funnel, or interest. This level of segmentation is crucial for targeting the right leads with the right message at the right time. Whether you're sending out personalized emails or setting up automated reminders for follow-ups, Salesflare ensures you stay connected with the right people. If you're looking to scale your business, Salesflare makes collaboration a breeze. You can easily share your pipeline with your team, track performance, and get real-time updates on your leads. This is especially valuable for teams who need to stay aligned on goals and ensure no lead is left behind. But here's the kicker. Salesflare offers a unique AI-powered tool that helps identify potential leads based on your existing customer data. It scans through your network and automatically suggests the best fit prospects. This is a game changer for anyone looking to grow their customer base efficiently. As a bonus, with our exclusive link below, you can try Salesflare for free with extended trial access. Yes, you can explore all these features and see firsthand how this software can help you generate more leads without committing to anything upfront. And finally, don't forget that by automating lead management with Salesflare, you're freeing up valuable time to focus on strategic tasks that will truly move the needle for your business. Generating more leads and growing your sales pipeline has never been easier. Remember, if you're ready to generate more leads and take your sales to the next level, check out the first link below for your exclusive extended free trial to Salesflare.